So hello guys, in order to create your ABC ID, you first have to go to the website called abc.gov.in. Once you click on there, you get to see a link. In order to create an account, click on the link and you land up on this page. This is the official page of abc.gov.in. At the top right corner, you get to see an option called My Account. So when you click on My Account, you get to see two other options. The first one is the student and the other one is the university. So you have to go in the student where you get to see a number of ways to log in into your account of DigiLocker. So if you already have an account on DigiLocker, so you just have to type your mobile number along with your PIN in order to log in. And the other options that are given are the username option, so where you enter your username along with your PIN, and in this option, that is the other, you get to select your ID from where you can choose between Aadhaar, PAN and driving license. And once you select one of these, you get to log in using your email ID number and your PIN. So in case if you have created your account and you forgot your password for the DigiLocker, you have to click on this option, that is the forgot security PIN. Once you click on this option, you get to select an ID. For example, you can choose your Aadhaar card, PAN card or driving license. In case you choose your Aadhaar card, you have to enter your Aadhaar number along with your date of birth and click on continue. So from here, what will happen is that you will get an OTP on your registered mobile number that is connected to the Aadhaar card, and from there you can set a new password. And if you have never created your account on DigiLocker, you have to go here and click on this link, which is sign up for Meri Pehchan. Once you click on this link, you get to enter your mobile number, and once you enter your mobile number, you have to generate your OTP along with your full name, clear throat, your date of birth, your gender, and you have to create a username along with a PIN that you want to set for your DigiLocker. And in case you type your username and you get to see that your username is already taken, you can choose any username that you want. Okay, so let me just show you how to log in into the account. So once you enter your details, you have to check this checkbox and click on sign in. Once you click on sign in, you get an OTP on your mobile number that is registered to your account. So once you entered your register your OTP, you get to log in. That is, let me type my OTP. So here you go. After entering the OTP, you get to land up on this page where you get to see your user ID, and along with that you get to see your ABC ID at the top right. So this is my ABC ID, and when you see this page, take a screenshot of this page, or at least get this number done, because it would be useful for you during the time of examinations. So that's it. That's how you create your ID on ABC. So guys, finally your ABC ID is created, and you should share this ID with your respective colleges